Once upon a time, in a small cozy cottage near the forest lived a mother goat with her 7 little kids. She loved them dearly and took great care of them. One day, before going to the market, she gathered her little ones and said, "Dear children, I have to go out. Be careful. The big bad wolf is roaming around. He might try to trick you, but remember, his voice is rough and his paws are black. Do not open the door for him." The little kids nodded and promised to stay alert. As soon as the mother goat left, the cunning wolf knocked on the door and said in a soft voice, "My dear children, open the door. It's your mother. I have brought sweets for you." But the kids were smart. They said, "No, you are not our mother. Your voice is rough. Go away." The wolf realized his mistake and went to a shop where he ate some honey to make his voice softer. Then he returned and knocked again. "Open the door, my little ones. It's your mother." But the kids peeked through a crack and saw the wolf's black paws. "No, our mother does not have black paws. You are the wolf," they cried. Angry and frustrated, the wolf ran to the miller and dipped his paws in white flour to make them look like a goat's. Then he returned and knocked once more. This time, when the kids saw his white paws and heard his soft voice, they believed him. The moment they opened the door, the big bad wolf burst inside. The little kids screamed and ran to hide. One hid under the table, another in the cupboard, one under the bed, another behind the curtains, and so on. But the wolf found and swallowed them one by one, except for the youngest, who had hidden inside the big clock. After eating, the wolf felt sleepy. He went outside, lay down under a tree, and soon dozed off. A little later, the mother goat returned. She was shocked to see the door open and the house in a mess. She called out, "My children, where are you?" A faint voice came from inside the clock. It was the youngest kid. He jumped out and told his mother everything. The mother goat rushed outside and saw the wolf snoring under a tree. His belly was moving. She quickly fetched a pair of scissors, a needle and thread. Quietly, she cut open the wolf's stomach. And one by one, the little kids jumped out safe and sound. The mother goat then filled the wolf's belly with heavy stones and sewed it back up. When the wolf woke up, he felt very thirsty. He walked to the well to drink water, but the heavy stones made him lose balance. And splash! He fell into the well and drowned. The 7 little kids danced with joy, hugging their mother. From that day on, they lived happily and never fell for the tricks of a wolf again. Morale: be cautious of strangers and never trust someone without being sure of their intentions.